Welcome to Dashcam Info. My name is Dirk and today I installed the brand new Azdome M580 dashcam. It's a dual channel dashcam, front records in 4K, rear in 1080p, and I can't wait to test it. If you would only record with the front camera, you can record up to 5K. This system is also available as a 3-channel dashcam, where you can connect the front, the rear and a cabin cam. I'll leave purchase links in the description below. And of course, if you would use one of them, it wouldn't cost you anything extra, but I would make some money back and that would certainly help my channel. We're taking a quick look at the installation, at the app, and of course I will show you footage by day and also by night. First thing is to peel off the protection film from the 3M tape and then to press the rear view camera against the window. Try to line it up horizontally as good as possible and then rotate it to an angle where it can actually record the street. The first thing in the front is to install a layer of adhesive film. Now we're connecting the windshield mount to the dashcam. The next thing is to connect the cable for the rear view camera, and before we're peeling off the protection film from the 3M tape, we try positioning the dashcam exactly the way we want to install it. Now that we are certain, we can remove the protection film from the 3M tape and we can press the dashcam mount against the layer of adhesive film that we previously installed on the windshield. For the sake of this video, I route my cable over the rear view mirror and over the sun visor. Of course, if this is a permanent installation, you can do things so much better, and tools for cable management and also hooks are included in the box. We're connecting the power cable at the USB-C port on the side of the dashcam mount. This is how the camera greets us when we're powering it up for the very first time. Now you can choose your language and you can set the date. Interesting to see is that I have a smudge on my windshield. But what's even more interesting is that we have a touchscreen, so we can operate the entire dashcam from the convenience of our driver's seats, without the need of groping the dashcam and feeling out where the menu buttons are hidden. The strike through on the Wi-Fi logo means that Wi-Fi is currently not enabled. To use the Azdome app, tap on it, select between 2.4 or 5G. Of course, when it comes to viewing or downloading footage, 5G is so much faster. And then you can go to the settings on your phone to connect to the M580 network. The very secretive passcode here is 12345678. Once connected, we can open our app. To view the dashcam albums or to make changes, we have to stop the current recording. To enter our settings, we have to tap on the cogwheel on the top right corner. And from here, everything is really self-explanatory. You can browse through all the settings and change it with a simple tap. And now I'd like to share with you some footage by day, front 4K and rear 1080p. After a short time, the dashcam goes into screensaver mode, and that shows you the time, the direction in which you're driving, the date, and also the current speed. It's very informative, and since it's a dark display, it's not distractive at all. And I think it's also interesting for you to see some footage by night, same front in 4K and rear 1080p. If you need help with installation or if you have questions about the app, I'm more than happy to answer. A free way to support my channel would be to leave a like, and if you like the channel overall, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.